Okay, welcome back to part 8. Here's the hose all set up. Took a good few minutes to dial it in. It is guzzling a little bit of air, which is not ideal. But then again, the water level isn't that high. I'm gonna go downstream and dig a small hole for the bucket to sit into. I'll see you back here in a minute when I have the underwater viewer ready. We're ready to run this system. Let's go find the shiny. So I'm down at the part where it's going to run into the sluice box. The last day I was here, I had set up a section for a sluice box. You get the hose position running perfectly, then you dial the sluice box in accordingly. I'm going to dig a bit of a hole for that little bucket. I'll say it's only 5 litres. Yeah, that looks good. I'll put a few decent sized rocks in here. Now I also want another rock down here to stop this bucket from moving. There you go, that's good. I'm quite happy with that. So let's have a quick look here. You can see where leaves and stuff are getting sucked in there. Right, let me just give it a quick go. Yeah, I can feel gravel and stuff coming down the pipe. Excellent stuff. I am working on a new underwater viewer that'll be connected to a face mask. I'm gonna get the tripod. I'm gonna put this camera underwater. Pick out the rocks first of all. Right, let's just crack on with that. Let's go find the shiny. Okay, so as promised, what I'm gonna do is get all these big rocks out of the way. I'm gonna move the nozzle out of the water while I do that. And I'm gonna change the nozzle out to a different one I've made. Just try different configurations. I think today's video will more than likely be called Gravity Fed Sluice Dialing in the System. Okay, so I've managed to get the system dialed in. I'm gonna try this configuration, and after this I'll try one more, and after that I'm packing up for the day. Here's one big problem I have. Well, that's certainly working anyway. Oh no! Well, I edit that out, I don't know. Just gonna say it was working. I'm gonna use this nice big rock that I used in the sluice box earlier. Park that in place. Running out of daylight, running out of everything, energy. I'm gonna change this around and just put in the original one that I had. That one definitely worked. Right, I'm gonna get that dialed in, see if I get that working, get this switched around, back here tomorrow morning for part 9 and 10. That's the best plan, I think. It's just about to do the last test here, a bit of an airlock in the system for future reference from my own records. Lifting the hose and bringing the air towards the top works brilliantly. Lay it back down, then gradually fill it. So I'm going to try this on the water, and then after that we'll do a wrap up, and I'll see you tomorrow for part 9. This is material that was caught by that thing. It's all unclassified material. Let's call it a quarter of a pan. So we're going to wrap it up there for today for part 8 of Gravity Fed Sluice Box, also known as that thing. Right, I will see you tomorrow, 8 PM GMT for part 9.